Starting around 26 October 2023, Dogecoin fundamentally is exchanging at $0.071 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.66% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Doge in a real sense has a truly all-out market cap of $10,029,502,596 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $713,128,710. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, by and large positioning at 9 in the digital money market, pretty further appearance how Doge in a real sense has an especially all-out market cap of $10,029,502,596 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $713,128,710, which in every way that really matters is very huge. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin in a real sense be worth in 2023, or so they generally thought? Is Dogecoin a very wise venture or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023 in an in every practical sense, significant way? Will Doge cost for the most part outperform its untouched sort of high in a sort of huge manner? These fundamentally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future incredibly. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.093, the normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to sort of be $0.089, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, Doge can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.098, which generally shows that these in every practical sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of $0.072, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost can in every practical sense arrive at a by and large limit of $0.082, with the especially normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is in a real sense anticipated to reach it in every practical sense, least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, exhibiting how Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is anticipated to truly reach at a sort of least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which all things considered is very huge. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.085, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, showing the way that the Doge cost could essentially arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.085, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.086, which really is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is especially anticipated to in every practical sense reach at an especially least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Which really demonstrates the way that Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.082, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Doge cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.093, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach at an essentially least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in a by and large enormous manner. The Doge cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.098, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, which truly shows that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is generally anticipated to reach at a by and large least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, exhibiting how Dogecoin value forecast September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is truly anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost explicitly has shown a great increment of 7.16% as of now, which most certainly demonstrates the way that Dogecoin cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $0.082, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, in an extremely significant way. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Doge for the most part was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 21.74%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin certainly has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and truly put resources into a sort of significant way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge essentially diminished by 25.385%. Killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.024 from its truly current worth, which truly is very huge. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a fundamentally decent truly purchase and open door for pretty speedy speculation, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 17.97%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a very least typical cost of $0.085 to fundamentally most extreme especially normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days, which fundamentally shows that Dogecoin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to basically be at around an essentially least of $0.072. Which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin basically is somewhere near 0.89%, with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $0.076, and the by and large least by and large normal value of was around $0.073, in especially beyond 4 months, exhibiting how Doge all things considered has a for the most part all-out market cap of $10,029,502,596 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $713,128,710 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin value gauge 2023 facts. What will basically be Dogecoin sort of